tree came down. That was insane. Our chicken house. All right, y'all, it is the next day and I just finished cleaning up for breakfast, after breakfast, and we're gonna get these plants outside. Nate's gonna help me set up some card tables outside.
There you go. I don't know what fits more.
Yeah, he's kind of tired, but...
If these little plants don't get enough sunlight, they're going to start stretching and reaching for it, which will make them very thin and very weak. We call that leggy. So we have to bring them out into the sunshine if they're not going to be in the greenhouse. Hopefully by the end of the day, they're going to be back in the greenhouse.
Okay, they're all ready to go out in the sun. I'm going to go ahead and water them. And then I think we'll start working on the damage.
Yeah, gotta get that tree out of the way first of all.
Okay, so we have to make a little trek through the woods. We'll see what kind of damage there is from any other falling trees.
I forgot my chainsaw oil out in the woods.
Yeah, so we're gonna go check that out.
I thought the next place I'd be needing it was out there. Check this out.
Oh my goodness.
This T-post was anchored in the ground right here.
Wow.
And look, it just got pushed into the earth like pushing a candle into a cake. That's the top of the post. It just got bent the very last little bit, but it just shot it straight down into the ground.
And it's in the tree too.
Yeah.
No, not really. I thought it was.
Not a whole lot.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be getting that out.
No, I think that T-post is gonna be here till Ragnarok. Hey, there's that one chicken that we couldn't find.
Oh my gosh! There she is.
Hey there,
all right,
chicken.
we
You
didn't
made it
lose the
through the
chicken.
night.
I'll go put her away real quick and I'll be right back.
Hey Bear, you want to come with us? I know Mara's gonna want to come. You running already? You got a lot of energy, babe. Parkour.
That chicken, she doesn't look too right. She looks like she's been squished for a long period of time.
Yeah,
Her legs
well,
aren't working quite right. Nothing seems broken, but I think she's just cramped up. I think as she has time to kind of stretch, because
she got crunched, huh?
I think she got crunched. That's probably why we couldn't find her yesterday.
She really
Yeah.
has been pinned out here.
She's
That's
been
why we couldn't
pinned.
find her.
So I just got her kind of in the greenhouse on top. Hopefully the chickens won't mess with her.
We'll
On the
keep an
counter.
eye on her.
Yeah, I'll go check on her a little bit.
Wow, look at that tree that was dripping.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh, hi Mel.
Mel, do you see
Look at this. It's so pretty.
Mommy says the sap tastes a little bit sweet, which means these icicles are made of that sap. They probably taste...
Oh yeah, let's try it. So much. Refreshing. Do it.
Nature's
Powerade. Nature's Powerade.
Nature's popsicles.
Well, let's get that oil and get to work.
All right. I wish I was out here stretching fence, but plans have been updated.
What is is.
What is.
This is that chicken that got squished. We put her right by the water here so she needs some water. Just gonna see how she does. Poor thing.
It's like playing pickup sticks. Everything's hung up on something else. I thought about building a new egg box, but it's just an egg box. It's gonna go back together, get mounted to that wall, and it's gonna be fine for another 10 years or until another tree falls on it.
Oh God, don't say that.
Just goes back together like a puzzle.
It's looking all fixed, baby.
Kinda.
Hey.
Hi. Not much to grab out here, but I'm trying to lift right now.
You want me to put a lift up?
Up, up. If you can hold it right there. You can let go.
Okie dokie.
You lean up on me, Forrest. I'll lean right back up on you. We'll keep our heads out the mud. You can probably let go at this point.
Sure.
Yep, that's fine. Okay, well, I'm gonna poke through somewhere and then you tell me if it's on or not.
It's on.
Wow. Okay. Wow, I'm literally just guessing.
You're doing good.
Alright. Go.
Let me position this.
Okay.
That works.
I missed it, didn't
No. Got it.
I? Okay.
Okay. Alright. That looks good.
A little bit worse for wear, but
Alright. Clean it up a little bit.
I see that one side is all split, huh?
Yeah. Right there.
Hmm.
Can you put a screw on the side?
Probably.
You
That
can
is.
put one more right there.
Yeah, I gotta go get one more.
Where are they?
Over on the feed bin. Thank you.
There you go. That works.
From the garden, you'll never even know.
Nah. Make sure I'm doing this right. Does that look okay?
Looks great. Yes. Thank you. What's up, Millie? Hey, whoa, careful. Sharp metal. I'm sorry. I should move more slowly and give you time to you peek outside and make sure the bottom edge is kind of flat. That it's not too down or too up. Do I need to slide out or in?
It looks about right to me. Yeah, that looks good.
Okay.
All right, y'all. Now it's time to get these little guys back in their proper place. All right, I'm gonna give these chickens some of this fermented goodness. Smells lovely. Check on that little broken chicken. When I put the water in last night, she stood up again, so that's good. Hopefully she'll have a full recovery. All right, little sad chicken. Here you go. For you, you're healing up? What do you think? Is that good? Willow likes it. Oh, Willow. Well, I'm happy they're back in their place. Nate's getting the chainsaw going. We gotta move this tree out so we can get the chicken runs back up and running. I'm gonna go clean up my greenhouse and get my plants back in there. And I've got a few new things yesterday that I want to plant. I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. What you got there? You got your toy? You want me to throw it? Come here. Okay, but I'm not very good at throwing things, you know that. Oh my goodness. He runs with that thing and it looks like he's got a toilet seat on his head. I got all my seeds. Got all my seedlings back in. I'm gonna be working on getting these nasturtiums put in bigger bins this week. But they're looking pretty good. You see these? This is the Black Beauty. It's kind of got a purple hue to it. Got these black hollyhocks that I'm excited about. And then these little purple Prince zinnias. I think I'll plant those. Now these, I've done hollyhocks once before. And they just kept getting sick with powdery mildew or something. I ended up digging them up. But I'm gonna try it out again. I'm gonna put these ones in the garden, but I'm gonna start them out in here first. And I probably should go out and help Nathan. But it's nice and warm in my greenhouse. I like it. Open these hollyhocks up. See what the seeds look like. Kind of interesting looking. I'm gonna plant these real quick. And then I'm gonna go hang out with Nathan. Be helpful.
Well, good.
Well, it's looking good, babe.
Right. I guess it is looking better.
Are we?
If you want to be a healthy helperton, if you could start getting that pink spider web down.
Okay. Yeah.
You're on it, more or less. No, you're fine. Thanks, babe. I got it from here. That's what we got.
It's all right. Just that one section that got a little bit crushed.
Yeah, well, I think it's mostly goat damage, honestly.
Oh yeah, that's where the goats were jumping over, wasn't it?
It's got tension, but it's just not
Right. So I've got this reflective tape and I'm gonna put it up on the sides for right now. And then I think we will do a little bit at top if we install some wire, just a little bit on top or string or something. So I can put some above as well. But for right now, let's do this. And hopefully it works to keep those raptors away. And eventually I'll get something a little bit prettier and permanent. But let me get this going. Done. If you can see, they kind of glisten in the sun and they also blow in the wind and make a crinkling noise, which also freaks the birds out. I'll eventually start slowly replacing them with something a little bit more permanent and pretty. They're supposed to stay good for about 6 months, this tape. And then it needs to be replaced. We'll just see how this works. I hope it works. It's a lot better looking than that pink string, that's for sure. Well, I don't know if I went overboard or what, but I will let you know how this works out.
Well, guys, I think we got a fair amount done. This is our little broken chicken, the one that we found under the tree the next day. I think she's got a name now. I think her name is Chicken Little. Because for her, the sky really was falling. She's doing okay. She can sort of
She can stand up and walk around just a little bit now.
Yeah, before she was on the ground. I mean, she's not moving. But she's getting there. I think she's gonna be okay. She just needs to mend whatever got squashed.
I think her pelvis got squished.
Yeah. Chicken Little. Another pet.
I don't know about that.
All right, guys.
All right, we'll see y'all next time.
Bye.